Welcome back, guys. Today is another edition of our series BFSQ. Any day tuning a car audio is a good day. Today we have a 2018 Grand Cherokee Trackhawk that the customer brought in. They wanted us to upgrade the system. Something not too crazy, something that would fit his budget. But the most important thing to this customer was to keep as much of the cargo area. We added in the front a set of Morel Tempo 6x9. In the rear, a set of Morel Tempo Integras 602 Mark II, 2 Kicker Solobaric 10, 2 Kicker amplifiers, 1 KXA 400.4 and 1 KXA 1200.1, the Epicenter. The vehicle was tuned using 2 iPad Pros, a SA4140 USB mic from Audio Control, of course the DSR1 software, and as you can see, we're able to achieve a pretty decent tuning curve. Alright, enough with all the talking. Let's hear what this system really sounds like.
Reach past ceilings.